Hello everybody and welcome to Parks Bros. It's Drew here and I'm back in Disneyland checking out Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I'm gonna give my first thoughts. Let's go. You might be wondering, why the heck are you at Disneyland? Well, it's the other Parks Bro, Hunter's birthday, and he decided, let's go ride Mickey and Minnie's for my birthday. So we're gonna do just that. As you can see behind him though, a lot has changed. Initial thoughts?
Roger Rabbit's is closed and I'm sad.
Fair. Hunter is very correct. Roger Rabbit's is not quite reopened yet, but you can see the whole area in front of it has changed into this little lawn space, which actually in person looks a little better than in pictures. I do think it's a little awkward. I do miss the fountain quite a bit, but you know what? Everything looks fresh and brand new, and it's really come back to life. I think it's really nice what they've done to the area so far in person. I'm very interested to see how the rest of it's gonna look. All right, enough yapping. Let's get on a Runaway Railway, shall we?
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, I guess that would be okay, Goofy.
Thanks. You'll be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, thinking, man. What's there with me? What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! It's a stampede! Look! There they are!
Oh boy!
We made it! Nothing can stop us now!
and see what happens. Hope you don't have any other plans. Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Alrighty, so got to check out Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway early this morning. Cause Zen Ride, that, as you can see, there was nobody else on the train except for our party, which was really kind of cool, kind of funny that we ended up with our first ride being a Zen Ride in the first row as well. Really enjoyed the ride. The projections, absolutely stunning in person. I will say, it is very turbulent, like some of my buddies said. You're constantly jerking back and forth, kind of moving side to side. It's a lot. But I will say, outside of that, and a little bit of motion sickness potentially, if you get motion sick on rides, that was really cool. I think it's great for the whole family, and the seating is really accessible as well. And obviously the storyline is really cute, and the song's really catchy too. So Hunter, you've been wanting to ride this ride for years. That's a big reason why we came today. What were your thoughts?
It was fun. I mean, I saw the Florida ride-throughs before, so I was pretty much as I expected, but it was still really fun. Was it better in person? Yes. Okay. Yeah, no, I really enjoyed, especially that finale room in person. It's just like all-encompassing. It's really something else. You have a favorite part of the ride? Definitely the factory.
The factory? That's fair. That's totally fair. I really like the island room as well. Just how you go into one spot, come out, and it's completely different. I thought that was really cool. And I think it fits Toontown really well. Like, if you told me Toontown always had this ride, I would totally believe you. The queue is really cute, fun, and it's got a lot of references in there. I gotta say, the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse kind of nods were nice, especially the Mouse-Cadooer in there. That was cool. But yeah, no, the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, heck of a lot of fun. It's not my favorite ride in the park or anything, but definitely beat my expectations out by quite a ways. So with all that said, I'm actually gonna end this video here. Just wanted to get my first reactions and impression. I might do a full review in the future. If you guys would like to see that, make sure to comment down below. I'd love to know if you wanna see that. But what's one last thing that I forgot to mention? Pre-show. That was cute. That was cool. Walking through the screen. Anyway, with that all said, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little look into my first reaction. And until next time, we'll see you on the next ride.